In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share NordVPN with other devices. By the end, you'll know how to use MeshNet to securely connect with a friend's phone, tablet, or computer so you can share files, route traffic, or allow local network access when needed. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is updated to the latest version for the best compatibility. Once the app is open, look to the left sidebar and find MeshNet. If you're on Windows or Mac OS, you'll see it there. On other platforms, the layout may vary slightly. If MeshNet asks to be enabled, go ahead and turn it on so the feature can create secure encrypted connections. Inside MeshNet, choose the Devices section. This is where you manage what's connected to you. To connect with someone outside your own account, select Link External Device. External simply means the device belongs to someone else, not another device signed into your account. Next, you'll be prompted to type in an email address. Enter the email the other person uses for their Nord account. Double-check for typos because the invitation will be sent there. You're not sharing your account details, just sending a secure request to connect through MeshNet. Before you send the invite, you can set permissions. Receiving files lets you send and receive files directly over the encrypted MeshNet tunnel. Traffic routing allows the other device to route its internet connection through your device. Only enable this if you trust the person and have enough bandwidth, because it can affect your connection. Local network access lets the other device reach things on your home or office network, like shared folders or printers. Turn this on only if you need it, and be mindful of any sensitive devices. You'll also see an option to remove access later. That's your safety net. If anything changes, you can revoke permissions at any time from the same device settings. When everything looks right, click Send Invitation. The recipient will get an email, and if they have the app installed, an in-app prompt. They'll need the latest NordVPN app to accept. Once they approve, the device will appear in your MeshNet list, showing its status as online or offline. You can manage permissions, rename the device for clarity, or disconnect it whenever you want. That's it. You've successfully shared NordVPN with another device using MeshNet. If the invite doesn't arrive, ask them to check spam or try resending. You can repeat the same process to link additional external devices as needed.